Hey, I'm Varshini and I finally fulfilled my dream of clearing NEET 2026. For a lot of people, becoming a doctor has been like a childhood dream. But for me, the idea never actually struck until 10th grade. And I started thinking there were so many problems right now in human health that need solving, that people need help right now. So, and then I started thinking, okay, why can't we use bio here and like solve such problems? So then I told my parents that, okay, I want to prepare for NEET, I want to become a doctor. And then they started researching as to what we could do. And then they researched a lot of coaching centers and they finally landed on Allen Jayanagar. My parents are engineers, so I had no idea what I was getting into, what the environment was going to be like, and it was really scary because everyone was like extremely confident and determined and they knew exactly where they were going. For me, I was a little lost for the first few days. And the first test came up, and then I made bubbling mistakes in the first test. So I started thinking, okay, there's a lot more that I've got to do and work on if I really need to get somewhere. And I remember after the first few tests, I was asked to join this batch called SRG batch. So that completely changed my perspective on things because everybody there was extremely motivated, extremely determined. The competition was like really tight. Extremely competitive environment pushed me to like achieve the best I could. So I was like genuinely fascinated by like every one of the subjects that I studied and the way it was taught as well. And I remember at one point in 11th grade, there was this one test that I wrote when I was very sick, and the people around me told me to skip that test. I told myself, okay, let me write this test and see how it goes. And it did not go well. But then I thought that this could be a real life situation during the actual exam. I could be sick, and maybe I should know how to like cope with a situation like that. So I think Alan gave me the opportunity to experiment different kinds of mindsets while writing the exam, different environments, maybe like noisy environments, calm environments, different time limits. But then during 12th, I had a lot of ups and downs. My test score started fluctuating and I started feeling really demotivated because after every test score comes, you start thinking that is the score that you're going to get in the actual exam. So my teachers helped me a lot with this. I used to come and talk to them almost every day, and they used to tell me to like stop thinking about ranks and marks while preparation and actually just focus on getting the concepts right. I remember writing an exam 2 weeks before NEET, and that exam was actually a turning point because I got the lowest score I have ever got over the past 2 years. That happening 2 weeks before NEET was not very nice for me. It took a really long time with a lot of teachers' help to actually like get my mental state back into studying and not completely give up. After that, NEET, the first attempt of NEET, it went well. It was fine. Everything was smooth. The process was smooth. My mental state was fine. After NEET got over, I thought, okay, this is all done finally. But then re-NEET was announced, and that was another major turning point because, again, it took a toll on my mental state. I thought I'll never be able to get back on the same flow that I had because I had relaxed for a week after NEET got over. And it took me like at least 3 or 4 days of just looking at the book and not studying before anything started entering my head. And then I had to tell myself, okay, it's happening again. No matter what, you've got to grit your teeth and do it. And again, I started coming to Alan immediately. I used to talk to the teachers. They used to help me out a lot. And finally, re-NEET happened. And on the morning of re-NEET, I did fall sick. And I had no idea how the exam was going to go. And during the exam, I told myself, okay, whatever happens, we're not going to panic. Turned out to be much harder than what happened first. But then again, in Allen, they train you to do much harder questions than what conventionally comes in NEET. So because of that, I made sure I did not panic during the exam, and I was still able to attempt all of the questions with like a clear head. I know the journey is going to be difficult. It's going to have its own ups and downs. But then at the end of the day, you're working towards doing something really beautiful, like helping people, making sure that you're giving hope in their lives. So all the best for your journey, and I know you'll really